Hi, this is an explanation how the audio board works with 4 speakers or 4 headphones. In this example we show 2 speakers and 2 headphones, which has the output jacks on board for four items. The board has here the volume turning wheel to turn up the volume, and here we have selection buttons. In this example, for this audio board, we've made a play button to start a track, a previous track or next track. The software for this example will play all speakers and headphones together at once, and it will play the tracks from the SD card. You can name the files on the SD card like 00, 01, 02, etc. So it will start always with 00 and then next is 01, etc. I will now demonstrate the music, how it works. I switch on the power. Now it will be, now it's activated. If I press on play, it will directly start to play over all speakers, headphones. If the track has finished, it will automatically goes back into default, into the silent mode. And if you press again, the volume will be put back to default at normal level at 50%. So if someone has turned the volume up, then the next visitor will have the sound in 50% default sound level. Okay, I press play. You will hear the music's playing over this one. Over this one. Maybe you can hear it, but this, of course, it's a headphone. If I press next, next track will play. If I press again, if I press previous, I try next, again next. If I press play, it always starts with the first song. For the sound, we have the turning wheel, so we turn. So this is how the audio board is working. Thank you for watching.